Hey guys, welcome back to Jacob's Aquarium. So today I got a catch cup and there's a ton of there's like 6 cicadas inside. And never even caught this much cicadas. This is a lot of cicadas. Container catch cup. This is a catch cup full of cicadas here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Maybe by the end of this video, I'll release all 6 of these cicadas. Oh my gosh, they're flying around. They kind of just, oh my gosh, some of them are chilling on their backs. Others are just trying to figure out a way out of here. But don't worry, guys, I'm going to release them eventually. So here it is. Cicada catch cup. Right here, right now, in your face. Full of cicadas in a catch cup. I found most of them around these areas of my porch or something like that. And there was like 2 of them on the trampoline. And I caught, most of them have been caught on the porch. Some of them have been caught on the trampoline, and then that equals a total of 6. Now they're all fluttering around. Okay, let's release them. Here they all are. Gonna release them to the wild. That was good.